Sarah practice 2. All right, so first things first, at the very top of the first page of the homework, I've given you a completed box showing you all the different forms of ser. So even if you don't have your notes with you right now, you should be able to do this easily because everything is right here. So part A says drag the red circle to the correct answer. So you have to look at the endings. You have to look, not the endings. You have to look at these conjugations and figure out this is es. So that means it's going to be usted, él, or ella. The only one that I have in there that would be matching is él. So I'm going to drag that and put it around that one. Then for the next one, same. You look at the ending, son. So it's going to be one of those three. I look, there's only that one. So that's what you're going to do. Let me put this back. So notice that you're just dragging from that. There are only 8, so when you're done, that little circle will go away. Now, part B says, now write the correct form of ser next to each subject pronoun. So what is the form for tu? Look up here, and then you're going to have to click all of that and then type it in. So that would be eres, right? Easy, freebie in here. And then on the bottom it says, complete the exchanges by writing in the correct form of ser. Yo blank, so we have to figure out what is the yo form. Oh, it happens again. That's not too hard. The tu form, so we have to go there. And then we get into here, sí, pero yo también. It's not obvious, but if you read through, you'll find that one of them sticks out. And then in here, and here, and here. So just make sure you read through those. On page 2, it says, look at each drawing. Complete the question with a form of ser. Follow the model. So they're asking about these people. What is he like? So you have to look to figure out what that one is. What are you like? You informal, too. So just read through these, and really all you're doing is looking at these and figuring out what the form of ser is that goes there. So again, you can always look here. And then the last one says, now complete each sentence with the correct form of ser and the correct adjective ending. We're going to skip the adjective ending. We're going to skip. Notice that there's nothing here. So instead, you're just doing the one part there. So again, él, what is the form of ser for that? Tu, what is the form of ser? You can look here and find it there. And that's it. That's the homework.